Hi guys, Trisha here from blogherway.com. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tip about how to add a YouTube video to your blog post. If you do tutorials on YouTube, it's a good idea to also create a blog post that links to that YouTube video. For one thing, it gives you more exposure, so you have the opportunity to rank on YouTube for your video, you have the opportunity to rank in Google for a video, but then you also have the opportunity to rank in Google for a blog post. So it's a good idea if you create informational YouTube how-to videos, definitely make sure you create a corresponding blog post to help promote that video as well. What's nice is that you can embed your YouTube video within your blog post. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to embed your YouTube video into your blog posts in WordPress. Let's go ahead and jump onto the computer and show you how it's done. So the first step is you want to go to your YouTube video after you have posted it, and then you'll want to click on the share button. From here, you can easily get your the URL of your YouTube video, but what you want to click on is Embed. What's nice about embedding is you actually have the option to pick your start time. So if you have kind of a long intro, you're talking about something else, and then you want to put it on a blog post where there's just a specific part that you are explaining about, doing a tutorial about, you do have the option to change your start time here. So with this, you're just going to go ahead and click on copy. Next, you're going to open up your blog post in WordPress. So here I have a blog post about how to create a template board in Trello that I'm ready to add my YouTube video to my blog post. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go to the text editor here. And then with that code you copied from YouTube, you're going to place it within the text editor here. So I'm going to select here and then just go ahead and paste it. And then when you switch back over into the visual editor, you'll now see your YouTube video is there in the WordPress editor here, ready to go. So if I go ahead and save the draft, and then I click to preview it, as I scroll through my blog post here, I can see my YouTube video has been embedded in my blog post. So really a quick tip here on how to embed a YouTube video in your blog post. Video is a great way to increase time on page when your audience is interacting with your website. The longer they spend on your website, the better your stats will look. So definitely consider using video as part of your blog post content. It can help the overall user experience and increasing time on page. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel where I share helpful tech tutorials on how to run your blog and business. This is Trisha from blogherway.com. See you next time.